just to show you our beautiful scenery. So come and see, come closer. You can see a new building here, a new tower, brand new. You can see the railways. And here I want to show you some chilies which are being dried on the terrace. So many of Indians dry their chilies so that they can make a beautiful masala out of it. From another side of the terrace you can see a new building here, very tall. I guess it's 27 floors, and they are terraced garden and swimming pool. And here you can see the slums, guys. There are lots of slums, and this one is quite beautifully placed right in the lap of these hills. The diversity of this country is remarkable, guys. So is its food. Today I'm making vada pav for you guys. It's most popular street food here in Mumbai. It's very sunny actually, and this specific dish is very popular with small, with adults, with rich, with poor, with any category of people. So when I came first time to this country and I could smell at many places this garlic flavor of vada pav, I was very much tempted, guys, to taste it, but ultimately I got disappointed since it was too spicy for me. So I'm making it in home, and if you don't like spicy food, please follow me for this easy, very easy and amazing recipe. Follow me, guys. These are our primary ingredients, guys. Some beautiful finely chopped green chili, one. You can use more if you like more spicy. Then we have got here some garlic cloves, one ginger piece, and some curry leaves dried. If you have got fresh ones, please use them. And of course we will also require some boiled potatoes. I've got here four beautiful boiled potatoes and peeled, and one piece of lemon. So let's proceed, guys. To a hot pan, I'm adding some organic sunflower oil, cold pressed, just 1 tablespoon. To this, I will be adding 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, curry leaves, green chili, I'm adding the garlic through this garlic presser. Without garlic, guys, this dish does not have any meaning. So garlic is very important for the Mumbai style vada pav. I will squeeze the ginger as well. Everything is popping a lot, so please use low flame. After everything becomes aromatic, and that aroma is so marvelous, guys, I will add just a small spoon of turmeric powder and a bit of hing, less than half teaspoon of hing. Our masala is ready, guys. We can switch off the gas now. Now I will be smashing each and every potato with my hands. Add some salt and squeeze the lemon, half lemon. I am also adding fresh green coriander, finely chopped. And now I will be mixing everything nicely. You can do it with your hands if the mixture is cool. The mixture looks healthy and delicious. So now let's prepare the batter. I'm taking besan. It is also called gram flour. 1 heaped spoon, big one, 2, 3. So it should be enough for our potato mixture. To this I will be adding only salt and a pinch of turmeric powder. Now let's add water and continue whisking it to obtain a thick batter. This is the consistency I am looking for. Whisk it very nicely. I whisked it really nicely, guys, and it is very smooth. Now I will be adding a pinch of baking soda and will give to it another whisk. So now we should immediately proceed to making vadas. So the consistency should be of the cream. I've taken some oil in a karai. You can take a big non-stick pan. You can fry all together. I've taken a small one. And now let's proceed to frying our varas. I've taken some potato mass. I won't be making balls. I will flatter, so it will be easier for us to fry and to eat them as well. So now let's dip our vada into the batter, shining beautiful, and now into the oil. If there is a hole, you can easily fill it with this mass. So right now I am frying it on low flame. It should not get burnt immediately. Fry it till golden brown on both the sides. I am extracting my first vada, guys. Isn't it beautiful? It looks very appetizing. Now I will be showing you how to fry vadas with the help of the spoon. Take the potato mass, form a ball, flatten it a little bit, and now I will be using the spoon. Drop it into the batter because with hand is quite messy process, so that's why I will be now frying it with the help of this spoon. My gas is on low. This is our second Vada. It's very cute as well. So come back guys once I'm done with frying of all the Vadas. I just finished frying this beautiful 9 Vadas, the queens of Mumbai street food. And the butter, imagine guys, was sufficient, exactly sufficient to make these 9 Vadas. Some are a bit smaller, some are a bit bigger, but they are amazing guys. So if you have any butter left with you, you can directly fry it in the oil, and you will get these creatures. Now let's make the chutney for our queens, the soft bed. I've taken some fresh coconut, put it in a mixer jar, 1 green chili, some groundnut powder, it's roasted groundnut powder, and some salt. Before adding water, we will grind it without water. Oops guys, I forgot to add the coriander. I am getting some beautiful fresh coriander washed with filtered water. It doesn't mix up guys because we added it later, and now I will be adding some water to smash it. Let's look inside. Now our mixture is green and we don't need to make it more liquid. We need a mixture, a chutney of this consistency only. It's ready guys. Now let's assemble our vada paos. I've got here some beautiful pav which is found here in India, very fresh, and I will be heating it in microwave so it will get disinfected as well.